Jupyter Notebook, couldn't find program, a bash. I'm using a PC with Windows 7 and a Python 3.4 Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda 3 version 2.3.0. I'm attempting to run the cell magic bash command from a Jupyter Notebook and am having problems that I imagine others will encounter as well. From what I've seen in tutorials, it should be as simple as: when I attempt this, I get the error, couldn't find program, a bash. This is true for other bash commands. I have also tried bash and that has not worked. A few strange observations that may help. I am able to run bash commands that don't require parameters as long as they are the first line in the cell. However, if I put a return above the command, it seems to interpret the cell as Python and gives the name a LSA is not defined error. If I attempt to call the bash line magic command %bash, I get the below error. Thanks in advance for any help.
Did you try what the error message said to try? i.e., %bash instead of %bash. This page seems to indicate that you're going to want 2% signs to utilize the bash script magic. Edit. Tailored answer to no longer be to specific error message. When I run %less magic, I get the following. The following command works. Bureauzeman nailed it.
Cash water isn't one.